lap 4s.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like
to. One thing's for sure, I'm definitely not a morning person.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, if I may, if I may.
We're live here with Sally. Look at this. Nobody on the right or left. Sally's got her own parking spot.
I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day.
Look at this one. That's dope. That is super sick. What is good, guys? We are out here at the Fabulous 4s with my buddies out here hanging out with the 5.0s because 4.6 is all the way down there and they're jamming out some music, and I don't want to get hit by any copyrighted issues over here, so we're pretty far enough chilling. It is very overwhelming over here, but pretty dope, to be honest. Cars I've never seen like before.
We're here at Fabulous Ford in beautiful California.
Beautiful day today as well. Walking down this lane really does make me want to get a 5.0.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you.
I've never been to such an overwhelming show here. There's just so much. This is just the Mustang. I think it's like the biggest lot here. We're gonna go ahead and do all of it. Show you guys the full rides, custom rides. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The 2018 Bullit, or 2019 Bullit actually. So clean. I don't know if you guys could see inside. Oh baby, I had to show this one. Look at how fat those rotors are. Comment down below what you think about this 2019 Bullit. All right, now we are in the heavyweight division with the GT 500s right here. Look at how beautiful this is. The amount of superchargers that I have seen today is just mind-blowing. This is why Hondas have bad reputations in the GT 500 group. Do you guys want to know what $1 million looks like?
You're still gonna fight. You have to take a picture of me then. I look like $1 million.
Got a lot of attention. Shout out to everybody that has came out and say what's up. Getting in some revs. It was nice meeting all of you guys out here. Sick meet. I'm gonna try doing more of these in the future, especially in San Diego. This is what Sally's gonna look like in the future. Rouse supercharger. Looking very clean. I also do need the Brahms seats as well. This is what you call interior inside. Sally goals.
Show them up, show them up.
Boy. We got another startup here. Firing Sally up. Gotta love it. Here's my under the hood right here. Not as close to what we've been seeing, but she'll do. She will do right here.